Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of clearing local lens data in the Snapchat app on your Android phone. This helps free up space and can improve app performance. Let's get started and follow these easy steps together. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you find the Lenses option. Once you see it, tap on it. Now, click on Clear Local Lens Data. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Clear. That's it! Your local lens data is now cleared. Thank you for watching. Clearing your local lens data can help keep Snapchat running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.